Welcome back to the DUI channel. We are in Iowa City, Iowa, where on January 1st, 2020 at 2:29 a.m., an Iowa City police officer observed a vehicle with the driver's side brake light not functioning properly. The vehicle's registration had also expired in November 2019. The officer pulled over the driver in the area of Washington Street and Lynn Street and approached the vehicle as his investigation begins.
Hi. How are you tonight?
Alright.
Alright. Okay. So my name is Iowa City Police Department. Reason I stopped you is because one, you have your driver brake light is out, and then also your registration's expired.
I knew my drivers. That's hard. Okay. But I don't know about my brake lights.
One more time, what was that?
My right or left brake light?
Your driver brake light, so it'll be your left side brake light. Do you have a ID on you and proof of insurance?
Well, my ID is...
Okay.
Insurance. Oh my god. I think this is right. Is this right? I do have insurance.
Okay. So how much have you had to drink tonight? Ma'am?
4 beers.
4 beers, okay. How long ago was that?
7 to 10 or not.
7 to 10 p.m.?
11.
11?
Yeah.
So 7 to 11?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to hop out of the car real quick so we can... Yep, that's right. Do you want to hop out of the car real quick? Just make sure you're okay to drive.
God bless it. Sorry.
That's fine. Do you want to take off your seatbelt and hop out real quick?
Need my purse.
Yeah, that's fine. We're just going to go right back here. To the back of your car right here, okay? So, I'll just have you stand with your feet together. So, face me. Face me. I'll turn around. Yep, face me. Stand with your feet together, arms down at your side. So, what I'm going to have you do is, do you have any eye injuries or head injuries, anything wrong with your eyes or anything like that? Any vision problems? No? Okay. So, stand with your feet together, arms down at your side, and then just follow my finger with your eyes, okay? And your eyes only, alright? So, don't move your head, and just look at my finger, okay? Does that make sense? Okay. Yep, just keep looking at my finger, okay? Right here. Yep. So, keep your head still, okay? And just look at my finger, alright? Yep, we're almost done, okay? Okay, you're going to stand there and go straight up, okay? Just walk straight up.
And watch your fingers?
Yep, just watch this finger, okay? Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you comfortable in the shoes you're in?
What are we doing now?
So, don't put anything in your... Yeah, that's empty. How about we go over here on the sidewalk, okay? So we got a couple more tests, alright? Let's use this line right here. How about this?
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Let's come over here, man.
Lord.
You're what?
I said, oh my goodness, Lord.
Alright. So, do you see the line right here running this way?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I want you to do is, can you face this way. Yep. So we put your left foot on the line, right foot on the line, directly in front of your left foot, heel to toe. Okay. So.
Like military style.
Yep. So left foot on that line, and then put your right foot on the line in front of your left foot, heel to toe. So it'll look like this.
Far?
Okay. Well, right now you're just going to get in that position. You're going to stand that way.
Okay.
So, left foot on the line. This line right here. See the crack in the concrete? Put your left foot on that line. Yep,
wow,
and then
you guys.
put your right foot on the line, heel to toe. So you're not on the line. Do you see this line right here?
How
Like
far
this,
on the
like
line?
this.
The toe
Yep.
on the on
Yep,
the line.
on the line. Yep.
I was thinking toe on the line.
Nope.
You
Put your
guys
whole
drive
foot.
me home.
Nope. Can you put your whole foot on the line? Can you do that?
Which foot?
Put your left foot on the line. Then put your right foot in front of your left foot, heel to toe, on the line.
She took my
Do it
scarf.
exactly like I'm doing.
I did that. I will do that right now.
Okay.
Oh, you guys. Okay, right
Yep.
here. So I go to jail.
Can you not do that, or can you get a?
Can I try
you can
again?
see-
Right here. Right
Yeah.
here.
Go ahead and try again.
I mean,
Yep.
if you guys keep, I'm a crisis.
Do you want to take your shoes
stabilization-
off? Would that be easier for you?
No, because
You want-
the
you want those
surgeon
shoes?
just told me the other day that my ankles are weak if I don't wear Birkenstocks or something.
Okay, so you have an issue with your ankle. Do you have any other issues with your legs or anything?
I mean,
Ma'am, do you have any other issues with your legs or hips or anything like that?
no.
Okay, no
my
issues
hip,
bouncing.
my hip.
Okay.
but
So can you put your right foot in
you
front of your
guys
left foot
are
right there?
awesome.
Can you put your right foot in front of your left foot?
On the line.
Yeah, on the line. All right. Can you hold that position? No? All right.
Wait, watch this. This scarf is throwing me off right now.
Okay, you can take it off if you want. All right.
Okay, so we go to jail
Yeah.
now?
Nope. Do you want to try another? Let's try another one. Can you put your feet together, arms down your side?
You guys, how
Hey,
many
ma'am.
cop cars do you have on me right now?
There's just two, me and him.
I need a cigarette.
Okay. Can you put your feet together, arms down your side? Can you do that?
Yes.
All right. So for the next test, what I'm going to have you do is, when I tell you to start, what I want you to do is raise either your left or your right foot. You can choose whichever one you want. All right. So when I tell you to start, you're going to raise that foot approximately 6 inches off the ground,
Are
like
you
this.
ICPD?
I am. Can you look at my foot real quick?
Yeah.
So you're going to raise your foot like this, okay? You're going to hold it approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping it parallel with the ground, and you're going to count it out in the following manner: 1001, 1002, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay?
Just 6 seconds.
It'll be approximately about 30 seconds. Okay?
I can't do that.
Do you want to try?
No.
You don't even want to try?
I mean, no.
Okay. Is there any reason why you can't do it?
Because I need a cigarette.
You need a cigarette. Okay. How about we do a breath test real quick? How's that sound? So for this one, there's no balancing, no walking. All I need to do is form a tight seal around this tube with your lips and then blow hard into it, okay? A long, steady breath. So I tell you to stop. So you got to blow out, okay?
Like you're blowing a
I
balloon
just
up.
did.
Yep. So you gotta blow out, okay?
Okay.
All right. Long, steady breath and blow hard, okay?
Harder than that.
You gotta hold on. You gotta
I
blow harder
was
than that, okay?
blowing
So then,
hard.
once you start, you can't stop, okay? It's got to be a long, steady breath, and you got to blow hard, okay? So, blow.
Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right.
My purse
Where's your purse at?
in my car.
Okay. So, the legal limit to drive in Iowa, hold on.
Help me out. Can you?
Yep,
can you-
hold on,
I need
ma'am.
a fucking
Legal limit to
cigarette.
drive in Iowa is .08. You're at a .168, so you're over double the legal limit, okay? So that means you're going to go to jail tonight for OWI, all right? Can you
Hands
face
behind your
him?
back, okay? Hands behind your back.
Can you face him?
Hands behind you. Now you
Yep.
I need my purse.
We'll get
Yeah,
it.
we'll get it for
Behind
you.
your back.
Will you do that right now?
I'll roll up in yours. Hands behind your back, okay?
Will you do
Here I go.
Get my purse
I
out of
will.
my car.
Yep.
Now.
Just 1 second, please. $49.95. There we go. There we go. Give your hand.
I think my keys on there too.
Yeah, they're right there. Is there anything in here that you shouldn't have?
No.
Okay.
Money.
All right. We're gonna go back to my car over here, okay? You ready? We're gonna walk this
My
way.
car gonna stay here tonight?
Yep, your
or-
car's in a parking spot, so it's fine for tonight. You can come get it in the morning, okay? We're gonna go this way.
Are my keys?
Yep, we'll get all that for you. Let's go this way.
Thank you.
Yep, so we're gonna step down on this curb. Don't step on that cabbage or whatever that is. There you go.
Is that an Iowa City too?
What? Is what? All right. So
I have to call my dad. He's dead.
do I want
Last time I called my dad,
to? There you
I
go.
was 17.
Following the arrest, the suspect was transported to the Iowa City Police Station for further processing. After a 20-minute observation period, the officer asked the suspect to provide an evidentiary breath sample.
Okay, so
I'm probably like
ready. Okay.
now.
So what I need you to do is you're gonna blow into that mouthpiece when I tell you to. Not yet. When I tell you to, all right? Don't block it with your tongue, all right? You're gonna blow hard, and it's gonna take about 10 seconds. So just keep blowing until I tell you to stop, okay? So long, steady. Don't blow as hard as you can. Just steady breath, all right? Hold on. Go ahead. Yep. Keep blowing. Keep blowing. Keep blowing. Keep blowing. You're about halfway done. Okay. So just keep going. Out there. Just about done. Good. Good job.
Wish we were in New York.
Holding that like a cigarette, huh?
Well, if we were in New York, it would be a lot more fun, probably.
Yeah. So real quick, I do want to tell you about your rights, alright? So you do have the right to remain silent. Any say can will be used against you in court of law. The right to an attorney cannot forward attorney one of the appointed for you. You have the right to have that attorney present during any and all questioning, alright? Do you understand?
What's my BAC?
Your BAC? Let's find out. Do you understand your rights though?
Well, before I can be arrested, I have to have a BAC.
Do you understand your rights? Do you understand what I just told you?
After you tell me what I
Okay.
BAC.
Okay.
I mean, no.
The breath test yielded a result of 0.177% breath alcohol content. This is over twice the legal limit of 0.08% breath alcohol content to drive in the state of Iowa. The suspect, Michelle, was charged with operating while under the influence, first offense, or OWI. In court, the defendant pled guilty on February 27, 2020. She was originally given a $1,200 fine, which was reduced after performing an unspecified amount of community service. In total, Michelle was ordered to pay $953.75. This amount has been paid in full. She was further ordered to serve 2 days in jail. Michelle declined an option to attend a 48-hour OWI course for credit time served. On June 30th, 2020, the defendant served 2 days at the Johnson County Sheriff Department Jail.
I know my dog's been just fine.
Yep. You'll be back to him in no time, okay?
I'll be back home in no time.
You'll be back to your dogs in no time.
Like about 8 o'clock in the morning.
Like about 8, yeah.
And it's like 3 now.
Yep, it's like, well, let's keep closer to 4.
Yeah,
Yep.
that's fine.
We're gonna go back to my car, okay?
Oh, God bless it. When North Liberty comes here, they don't have their own jail yet.
Nope, we all use the same jail.
You have my purse?
I do, it's right
Good.
here. I'll hand it to you, okay?
Thank you so much.